Hello! Welcome to the first Rubik's Cube video. Today we will be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. In this first video, our goal is to introduce you to the basics of the Rubik's Cube. You should have in front of you a solved cube, like this, and a scrambled cube, like this. I want to tell you a few facts about the Rubik's Cube before we jump into solution. The first fact about the Rubik's Cube that you should know is that each side has its own color. So when you look at the solved cube, you will see, look at the white side. White on a Rubik's Cube is always opposite of yellow. White is opposite of yellow. Blue is always opposite of green. Orange is always opposite of red. No matter what you do, when you solve the cube, the colors will be white, yellow, green, blue, orange, red. A second thing to note about the Rubik's Cube is that the center pieces, that is the middle pieces on each side, if you look at this cube, I've got a logo on the white center piece, those center pieces will remain in the same place no matter what. So no matter what I do, the white centerpiece will be here, and the yellow will be opposite, and the green will be here, and the blue will be opposite, and the orange will be here, and the red will be opposite. Grab your scrambled cube for a second. Go ahead and mix up the scrambled cube as much as you'd like. Okay, go ahead and stop. Now, no matter what you did, the white center is here, opposite of it is the yellow center. The orange center is here, opposite is the red, and the green, and the blue. Those center pieces stay in the same place no matter what you do. The third fact you should know about a Rubik's Cube is that a Rubik's Cube has three different types of pieces. The first type of piece I already introduced you to. These middle pieces are called center pieces. There are 6 sides, so there are 6 center pieces. A cube also has corner pieces. These corners or edges always have 3 colors on them. So this is white, orange, green. Here's one that's yellow, red, blue. Those corner pieces will always be corner pieces. They don't move and become center pieces. They're always corner pieces. There are a total of 8 corner pieces on a Rubik's Cube. The last type of piece that you will see are these middle outside pieces, and we call these edge pieces. Edge pieces always have 2 colors on them. Here's one that's yellow and red. Here's one that's blue and white. Here's one that's orange and yellow. Again, edge pieces will always remain edge pieces, corner pieces will always remain corner pieces, and middle pieces or center pieces will always remain center pieces. A third thing you should know about the Rubik's Cube is that the steps you will learn will often contain what are called algorithms. Algorithms are just a series of moves that you need to do to complete a step. So to understand how to do these algorithms, you first have to learn a little bit of terminology about how to move the cube. So take your completed cube and put the white side on the top and the blue side on the bottom to hold it the same way that I've got it here. When you do this, the top side that's now white is the up side. We indicate that by the letter U. The front side, the side facing you, is the front, and that's indicated by F. So we've got U and F. The right side is indicated by the letter R, that's the right. Your left side, which should be red, is indicated by the letter L. So we've got F, front, U, upper, R, right, L, left. The side back here, which is green, is called the back, the B side. And down here, the yellow is called the down side. So you've got up, down, right, left, front, and back. When you do algorithms, you'll be told to hold the cube in a particular way so that you always know what is up and what is right and what is left and so forth. So let's think about this right side now. So this right side, as you can see, is white on the top and blue in the front and orange on the right. So if the algorithm indicates a right turn, this is a right turn. You could turn the right backward or you could turn it forward. For each type of move, for example an R, you will either have an R or an R prime, which is the R with the apostrophe after it. So right is a clockwise right turn. So if you see the letter R, you will do a clockwise right turn. If you see the letter R prime, you will do a counterclockwise right turn. So this would be R, this would be R prime. The same holds for all the sides of the cube. So let's look at the front. So F would be a clockwise turn. F prime would be a counterclockwise turn. On the left, when I think of looking at that left side, clockwise is going to be this way. L, L prime. What about the back? So the back is back here. So you want to flip it so you see it. So clockwise is going to go this way. So B, B prime, B, B prime. And lastly, what about the downside, the bottom? So flip it up just a sec to look at it. So clockwise is going to be this way. So D, D prime, D, D prime. So the algorithms will be indicated by a series of letters. Some of them will have a prime after them, and you will follow those series of letters to complete the cube. So for fun, there's an algorithm on your screen. Let's do that together. So it says F, turn your cube the front clockwise. Then it says F prime, turn it back. You should be back to solved cube. Then it says R. Now R clockwise, R, blue should be on top on the right, R prime. Now it says U. U is the top. Remember, clockwise on the top is U, U prime. And then we've got the back. Remember, you got to look at it. So back is back here. Clockwise is this, back, back prime. And then it says D, down. So look at it real quick. Clockwise is this way. D and D prime. So you should have a solved cube back with you. Let's do one more real quick. You can see the next algorithm on your screen. So this says R, R, and then it says B prime. So B is the back. Remember, if we look at it, clockwise is this way. So B prime is this way. So you should have red on the top, so you should be here. Then F2. So F is the front. It doesn't have a prime, so we're going to move it. 2 means twice. F, F. So your cube should now look like this on top. And then U, which is upper, right? And it says U prime, so counterclockwise, U prime. So your cube should look like this. To get it back to how it was, we're just going to do that algorithm backward. So we're on your screen, you can see this. We're going to do U, so this is U. We're going to turn it clockwise. Then it says F prime 2. So here's front. F prime is that way twice. F prime 2. Then B is your back. Again, clockwise. B. And then it says R prime. So R is clockwise. R prime is counterclockwise. Your cube should be back to where it started. Okay, as your last exercise, I'm going to have you create a checkerboard. So take this solved cube, I'm going to put an algorithm on the screen. You're going to do this to create a checkerboard that looks like this. Okay, again, put the white on top and the blue in front. It really doesn't matter what you put in the front, but for right now we'll do blue. So the algorithm is right twice, R, R, left twice. Now L clockwise is toward us, L, L, front twice, F, F, back twice. Now remember, back clockwise is that way, back, back, down twice. The bottom clockwise is down, down, and then up twice, up, up. Once you've done that, you should have a checkerboard. So I hope that has helped you understand the cube. You can go ahead and follow the directions that are next.